I bought a pack of steaks yesterday, left them in the fridge. Tonight, when I opened the door, the plastic was pulsing, like something was moving inside. I peeled it open. The meat twitched. A wet breath hissed out, and then it started beating, slow like a heart. I dropped it, but it didn't stop. The steak slid across the floor, dragging itself toward me with strands of muscle stretching and snapping like tendons. I tried stopping it, but when my heel came down, it screamed. The sound was wet, human. The other packs in the fridge split open on their own. Pork, chicken, beef, all of it writhing, crawling together into one pile of flesh. Bones cracked through the heap, shaping legs, arms, a face. The smell was rotten iron. It stood up, 7 feet tall, stitched together from bloody cuts of meat. Its mouth was just a jagged hole, dripping grease and blood, and in a voice that sounded like knives grinding bone, it said,
"We've been eating you for years. Now it's your turn."
The last thing I saw before it lunged was its chest splitting open, raw slabs peeling apart to reveal rows of human teeth buried in the muscle.